We will have aesthetic skin and also anti-aging regenerative as our key services for our patients. We tend to go to the concept of preventive and promotive. So when we talk about the concept of medicine, actually we have three. Number one is curative, number two is preventive, and number three is promotive. As I said, we go through preventive and promotive more. Let's go back to curative. For curative, you got to know that we cannot be cure 100% of all disease in this world. It's just only some part of the disease that we can cure. For example, the accident or acute infection that we can cure. But for chronic disease such as diabetes or heart disease or even aging process, it cannot be cured absolutely. This is what Stemnix will go through for our key services.
Please tell us more about the current trends in aesthetic and anti-aging clinics.
For aesthetic services in the clinic, you can see plenty in the market now. This kind of services will aim to the people that want to grow older but look better. So it will target on the aging side, wrinkles, dull complexions, or even sagging of the skin. So for this kind of services, is plenty in the market. But for anti-aging regenerative services in the clinic, it keeps growing up nowadays. For this one, they will target on the people that want to grow old with the healthy way, not in a sick way. The services will be, for example, detoxification program. It means that it will clean your body system from the toxin that you get into and be in your body. Or even the IV or intravenous nutrient or vitamin to improve your health. Or the oxygen therapies or oxidative therapy. Or even that chamber we call the hyperbaric oxygen tank that we can even to sit in, to lay down, to get more oxygen inside our body to refresh our cells. And the last one that people know is the cell rejuvenation or stem cell treatment. This kind of medicine is growing up in the market.
And what makes Stemnix clinic different from others?
Our service will be simple but extraordinary. We want to turn the true regenerative medicine to be touchable and tangible for everyone. And we will start from the basic background until the top level of the treatment. From the basic, we will start from food. Everybody needs to have food. Cells also need to have food. It's the same. If you have good food, your body system will rejuvenate easier. So we have the supplement called ASP or alpha polysaccharide peptide, which is 100% extract from rice. And this is a very good and clear energy for all kinds of cells in your body, either stem cell or normal cell. This kind of the basic for rejuvenation for everyone. And for the advanced, in terms of medicine, we need to care about the medical research. We will use our world-class medical research to implement into our clinical services treatment. For stem cell, you know very well the oldest stem cell. I can say that it is unpredictable the result, because stem cell, when it multiply and stimulate our body cell, it just spread around. It no target organ. It just spread around your body. So your effect can be just only 10% or even 100%. This is very unpredictable. And on the other hand, it cannot measure how can it work. But from our research, we use the signal from the stem cell, which is very specific signal for each organ, which means we will extract this kind of signal, and after that we inject into your body. Depend on what kind of organ that you want to regenerate. It can be heart, it can be liver, it can be kidneys, it can be lungs, or it can be your skin or the hair. This is a true regenerative medicine. And on top of that, we have our own biomarker, which can measure the result of the stem cell treatment. This is what we want to implement into our world-class service.
What would you do to help standardize the quality of your services across the globe?
This is very important because we plan to globalize our service and our ecosystem. So the standard of the treatment is very important actually. We will use the big data from AI analysis, including the telemedicine for consultation, and in combination, we can make the standard of all kinds of treatment, even the ongoing study for the communication globalized. And this kind of platform, we will use it just only copy and paste to globalize. This is our plan.